Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete or close your accounts on PayPal. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.paypal.com and hit enter. After the home page of PayPal opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you make sure that you're logged into your account, click on this gear option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the gear option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, scroll down and find this close your account option. After you click on the close your account option, a menu or a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now on that pop-up, click on the close your account button. You will be asked to confirm it again. Once you confirm closing your account will be permanently deleted from the PayPal. I hope this video helped you to close or delete your account from PayPal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.